Welcome to MonoCity, the place where innovation meets sustainability. MonoCity is an interactive digital tool developed by Monodraught to help you explore how our ventilation, heating, cooling, and daylight systems work, and how they shape healthier, low-energy buildings. The design of the city is inspired by Medina, our advanced control system that monitors and optimizes indoor climate and performance through real-time data. Visually, it also takes cues from a circuit board, where all buildings connected form one smart ecosystem. This city is divided into 4 islands: education, commercial, residential, and healthcare. Here you can see our innovations in action, from classrooms to hospitals, showing how our systems create comfortable, sustainable spaces. Within MonoCity, you'll find installation-guided videos supporting resources and key component overviews that illustrate the technology behind each of our products. You can also explore real case studies and data monitoring from installations around the world, demonstrating how our solutions adapt and optimize building performance in real life. Step into MonoCity, available at monodraught.com under the Resources section as MonoCity Virtual Tour. Be ready to meet the city of the future today.